Hey there, hope you're doing well. My name is Christian. Welcome to my channel. I am Christian M, a place where I decided to document my journey to financial independence in a manner that anybody watching who would like to follow suit could try to replicate my results, especially if it turns out to be successful. Now, financial independence can be defined in so many different ways by different people, but for our purposes, it is simply trying to get to that point where we are generating enough in passive income, real and true passive income, to cover our living expenses. So if that kind of stuff is of interest to you, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. And while you're at it, don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you're notified every single time I release a new video. Okay. Now, this video, we're talking about what to do with that last $50. Basically, what I would do with my last $50, if that's all I had, in an effort to try to turn that into $10,000 in 2025. Okay. So it's really straightforward, really simple. I'm just going to break down. This is something that I'm actually currently in the process of doing. I've already made some money with it, but of course I still have a little ways to go, right? I have till the end of the year to generate the entire $10,000. Okay. Now, what we're going to be doing, right, is something that is actually good for us financially, like, right, when it comes to, like, let's just say, for example, building your, we all, financial experts, they usually say it's good to have an emergency fund, right? So this would actually be a good way to, build your emergency fund. And we're going to be doing it by using something called affiliate marketing. But hold your horses. Don't run just yet, right? In case you have already heard of affiliate marketing, this is actually pretty different, pretty unique in that our offer, what we're promoting, is actually going to be something that's going to be really beneficial to the the people that we're promoting to. Not to say that other affiliate products are not beneficial. This is just something that everybody can use, right, when it comes to being financially healthy, improving your finances. Okay. And we're going to be, for those of you who are not aware, like just to make sure we're all on the same page, affiliate marketing is just basically a simple business model whereby we get rewarded with an affiliate commission, right, for promoting other people's or other people's companies, right, other people's businesses or other services. Every time we drive traffic to another person or another company, another business, which results in a lead or a sale, right, we get rewarded for it. If you think about it, you've actually already been doing affiliate marketing your entire life. You just never got paid for it. Okay. Like, think about this. When you go watch a really great movie and you tell your friends about it and you tell them, yo, you need to go watch that too, go to the movie. Well, guess what? The movie theater, they're making money from your recommendation for telling your friend to go watch that movie, right? The actors who are in the movie, they're all getting paid. Everybody's getting paid except you. Okay. Now, affiliate marketing is something that you can continue doing as you have been doing your entire life, except now this time you're doing it intentionally with the aim of getting paid. And the product that we're going to be promoting here is a financial services product, right, by a company called SoFi. And what we're going to be promoting is a high yield savings account, encouraging people to open high yield savings accounts whereby they would make so much more money on their savings than they typically would with where they're probably already keeping their money in a typical brick and mortar bank, like, the likes of Wells Fargo, Chase, Bank of America, and all those, right? Those banks, they pay pennies, right? Like, if that, right? They pay pennies in interest, right? Current interest rates for such banks would typically be on your savings, right? Will typically be something like 0.01 to 0.04%, right? So if you had $10,000 sitting in the bank, right, your savings that you don't touch, and it's just there as your emergency fund, whatever the case may be, after 1 year on that type of APY, right, annual percentage yield, you'd only make about anywhere from $1 to $4, right, which is pathetic. After 1 year, it's having $10,000 sitting in the bank, whereas with a high yield savings account, you can make, like, they typically have much higher interest rates. So this one we're talking about is SoFi, and their current interest rate is for the high yield savings account is up to 3.8%. Okay, 3.8%. So that same $10,000 would yield $380 at the end of 1 year. Okay, now here's the kicker. They have a current promotion going on, which I don't know how long it's going to last. So obviously time is of the essence, probably going all the way through. Who knows, right? But the sooner you can get started with this, the better. Okay. They just to open the account, right? If you open the account and use $50, you need to open the account and fund it with $50. That's where that last $50 comes into play, right? Take that $50, and it's free to open the account, by the way. Okay. Open the account. And you need to deposit, you need to take that last $50 that you have and deposit in that account, in your SoFi high yield savings account, and they will give you $25 for free just for opening the account and funding it with $50. Okay, that's just the beginning. That's just the beginning. There's more to this. Okay. Right, so that's what you would do with your last $50. Open the account, right, high yield savings account, and you can do so. Link in the description below this video. That is my referral link, and I'll tell you a little bit more about that in just a second. Okay, open that account, fund it with $50, and you will get $25 instantly as a welcome bonus. Okay. Now, as you go through the sign-up process, you will get to a point where they ask you, once you're filling out your information, you get to a point where they ask you to fund your account, and there are going to be two ways that you can typically do that. You're going to have to use your existing bank account, right, to do an ACH transfer where you're using your existing bank account to transfer money from your existing bank account to your new SoFi savings account, right? You'll automatically get a savings and a checking account, right? And both of them earn interest, by the way. But when you get to that stage, you don't want to do the bank-to-bank transfer, because that's usually going to take 2 to 3 business days. And then once the money settles, before you get the $25 for free, the welcome bonus, right? What you want to do is use the other option that they give you, which is to use your existing bank issued debit card, right? Not a credit card, your bank issued debit card, and instantly fund your SoFi account with that last that you have. And when you do it that way, the money will be deposited instantly, and then within, in my case, it took about 15 to 20 minutes, right? And you'll instantly see that $25 welcome bonus. Okay, so that's just the beginning. Now, in order to be able to refer people to open high yield savings accounts and get their money up, right, and earn more money on their, earn more interest on their money and get rewarded for it, you have to be a SoFi customer yourself. So we've taken care of that part already. All right. Now here's the kicker. Every time you refer somebody else to open a high yield savings account, right, with SoFi, and they also deposit that $50, right, fund their accounts with $50, they're also going to get $25 for free. But even better, for each person that you refer, you're going to get $75. Okay, so you open up your SoFi account, you love their services and all that, you're going to get a debit card in the mail, right, that you can use to swipe wherever you want to, right? You'll also be able to connect Zelle and all that type of stuff, right? You love SoFi, you're telling people about it. And for each person that you refer, right, you want to tell your friends and family, hook them up and get them to start leveling up, making more money, right? You will earn $75 for each person that you refer. Okay. Now, SoFi will limit the amount of money that you can make in any given calendar year is $10,000 when it comes to their, referral bonuses, right? Referral commissions, commissions that you make as an affiliate. Okay. So that's where that $10,000 comes into play, right? In 2025, you want to be able to refer as many people. I think it comes down to like 130 something people or so, right? And for each one, you're making $75, and that's how you make that $10,000, right? And then when it rolls into the new calendar year, 2026, you can do it all over again, right? So basically, they limit you to $10,000 per calendar year. So each year, you can make an additional $10,000 to whatever it is that, right? Just by referring people to open high yield savings accounts to make more money, right? So you're encouraging people to open an account. They're going to get money for free just for opening the account. and then they will also have the opportunity to make $75 for each person that they refer. Okay, and when you do this, you will enter your account. You will have your own unique referral link that is going to look exactly the same. Like if you click that first link in the description below this video, it'll take you to a page that you'll see that has, it'll have my name on there, right? Christian wants you to earn X number of dollars in free bonuses or whatever, something like that, and earn up to 3.8% or whatever the interest rate is at that particular point in time. If it doesn't have my name, Christian, maybe it might have somebody else's name, because I'm maybe helping somebody else to promote their account for them or something like that, whatever the case may be. But it should be my name, and you'll have a link just like that, a website that looks just like that, that you will share with your friends and family and people that you know. So yours will look identical to that, and that's what you will use to start making, right, $75 for each person that you refer. Now, like I mentioned earlier, I was going to tell you a little bit more about it. Like that first link in the description below this video, that is my SoFi referral link. I'm telling you, full disclosure, full disclosure as an affiliate, right? But this is at no additional cost to you. As a matter of fact, if you go directly to the SoFi website to open an account, you're not going to get that $25 welcome bonus, right? You need to go through my referral link or that of any other person that refers you to join in order to get that $25 bonus. And then you'll also see you'll be able to earn even up to like $300, right, or $325 or so. And this is based on how much you decide to deposit via direct deposit in a certain amount of time. So I believe if you deposit $1,000, if you deposit anything from $1,000 to $4,999, they'll give you an additional $50 bonus on top of the $25 welcome bonus. And then if you have and that's within 25 within 25 calendar days of your first direct deposit. Okay. Now, if you have 5,000 or more deposited within those first 25 calendar days of your first direct deposit, they will give you a $300 bonus. Okay, so that's more money you can make, but that's not money that we're particularly concerned with. The real money here, like turning your last $50 into $10,000 in 2025 and every year after that, comes from those referral bonuses that you make for referring others to join, to open up a free account, right? What is basically a free account. And that's it, right? That's how you can turn your last $50 into $10,000 in 2025. And you can do it again in 2026 and 2027 for as long as they keep this promotion running, right? Because we don't know how long that's going to go on for, right? So that's it. It's really simple, really straightforward, really basic. The most important things for you to remember is that when you're doing this, when you're funding your account, use your existing bank issued debit card. Don't use a PayPal card or like a prepaid Visa card or any of those things. Otherwise, it's not going to work. You're going to have to use your already existing bank issued debit card to deposit that $50. And then you'll see your $25 welcome bonus right away. Okay? Pretty straightforward. Any questions, comments, or suggestions that you have, put them in the comments section below. I will be sure to respond. And happy earning, right? Like, this is really simple, straightforward stuff. It actually works. I've done it. I've already received commissions, right? I haven't received up to the 10,000. I'm basically working, I'm basically, telling more people about it until I hit that 10,000 in 2025, and you can do the exact same thing. All right. Thank you ever so much for taking the time to watch. Click that first link in the description below. Get your free $25. Open your account, fund it with your $50. Make that $25 welcome bonus, and then start telling your friends and family. Help them to make more money, right? And you can make more money in the process too, okay? Thank you ever so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video. Ciao.